It's simple, it's small, but this little thing is your new best friend, because whether you are shooting outside, whether you are showing off your setup, this little thing is your new best friend. Hey guys, today I am reviewing this compact motorized turntable, often called a lazy Susan. If you make product videos, cinematic b-roll, or product photography, you need one of these. The packaging is basic. Inside you will find the turntable, a USB-C power cable and a short manual. The design is basic. You can power it via USB or use 3 AA batteries, and here is one switch, and by clicking on the switch you can go clockwise or counterclockwise. Let's test it with some real items. Watch how smoothly this tree is spinning, or this phone, or even something heavier like this fan. No shaking, no noise, smooth motion. Whether you are into photography, tech content, handmade items, food reviews, this thing works everywhere. You can use it for product showcases, cinematic slow-mo shots, background rotating during talking segments, even TikTok and Reels. Whether you are a content creator, and this motorized rotating turntable is a honestly good thing. You can use it for many things, and this thing takes your shots to another level. Sometimes small things make a big difference in your shoot. So thanks for watching.